Peace and love to everybody. Today's ride is going to take us past Hope to a place called Camper's Roost. It's a haven for the most serious of campers. Reservations and lease only. I hope you enjoy the video. I believe it is the law that you have to stop at the Sasquatch Inn for lunch if you're riding a motorcycle on Highway 7. Every time I see this pipeline going across the river, I get a sick feeling in my stomach. If you're familiar with the water level, usually going over this bridge, you'll notice how incredibly high the water level is. Evidence of flooding all over the province of BC. East of Hope, you know you're getting close to Camper's Roost once you pass the general store sign on your left. Once again, Camper's Roost is a private campground. You're allowed to show up by invitation only. For all leasing inquiries, contact Camper's Roost office. So this is the entrance here on the left. Right here on the left. Quick, turn left. Oh, you missed it. Actually, I just wanted to show you what it looks like coming from the other side too, as well. You buy that? My beautiful friend Dancine invited me to go camping with her, and oh, there's the most beautiful girl right there. So that little firecracker invited me to go camping with her, and I'm a red-blooded Canadian, so of course I said, yeah! So she brought me to this perfect little camping community. It's like a small town. Everybody knows everybody. Everybody watches out for everybody. Everybody looks after everybody's place when the other everybody's not there anymore. It is an awesome place. We had some really good food, including the best potato salad I've ever had in my life. We met some very solid people. They played some really decent live music. It was the most awesome camping night of my life, and it was the most awesome camping morning of my life as well. My tent broke as I was setting it up, so none of the rain prevention features were working. We got dripped on all night long, but yeah, it was still the best camping night of my life. Here's some drone footage. put this landing shot in because I like the color and the patterns of the trees. Dancine invited me to go camping Saturday, and I enjoyed the people and the place so much that when my buddy Scott asked where we should go for a ride on Monday, I said, let's go to Camper's Roost. So, yeah, that's why you've seen Scott and I go there and back, and not Dancine and I. Here's my favorite stretch of road on the ride home. Exact same piece of video from a different camera view. The sun rays were more predominant and colorful in real life, but still look okay here. I have 4 mirrors on my motorcycle, and all 4 of them were pointed straight in by the end of this slalom. Same slalom run, different camera view. Camper's Roost, I hope you enjoyed the video. I'd like to thank the lovely Dancine once again for inviting me on the most memorable camping trip ever. Join me for all my adventures on my YouTube channel RSamson. See you later, everybody.